Guys, big breaking news coming out. Mystery drones buzz military base storing US nuke weapons twice in 24 hours as helicopters scrambled and jammers deployed. The incursion comes just days after NATO revealed it is ramping up its air defenses as rogue drones continue to menace Europe. All right, so we're going to see what's going on here, guys. Once again, we are definitely seeing a lot of these drones in various places. All right, and now we are seeing these drones buzzing near military base that is storing U.S. nuclear weapons. All right, so we're going to see what's going on here, guys. Before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. All right, so mysterious drones were reported flying over a military base storing U.S. nuclear arms twice in just 24 hours. Once again, a police helicopter and jammer were hastily deployed in a bid to chase and disrupt the radio waves of the three devices hovering above the Kleinen Brogel Air Base near Pier, Belgium. So we don't know if it's Russia, possibly someone else. There's been a lot of a lot of these drone news happening since New Jersey. And you guys know last year all the drones that was flying near Trump, his Bedminster residency and golf club. All these drones were spotted in New Jersey. It says here it comes just weeks after NATO revealed it is ramping up its air defenses as rogue drones continue to menace European airports and bases. According to Belgian Defense Minister Theo, the drones were spotted yesterday, even flying at higher altitude, and were on a clear mission targeting the military base. Now, in a post on X, he urgently appealed for more funding to counter the threat, adding that the helicopters and jammer were unsuccessful in deterring the devices. So, man, that's crazy. So you have helicopters, you have jammer devices, and they couldn't stop these drones. The flights breached what is considered one of Europe's most sensitive military spots, widely believed to house U.S. nuclear weapons. Someone that, again, whoever is behind these drones, they know what they're doing. I mean, again, we're talking about U.S. nuclear facility. So those that's flying these drones are very, very, very smart, again, knowledgeable people when it comes to knowing these facilities. It says it's the base's second incursion in just 24 hours, with unidentified drones seen over the area on Friday night, too. Franken said last night 3 drone reports were received over Klein Brogel, larger a drones flying at higher altitude, not a typical overflight, but a clear mission targeting Klein Brogel, and a drone gun jammer fired proved ineffective. You have police helicopters and police van pursued a drone but lost contact after traveling several kilometers north. Police/ADIV investigation ongoing. So you have helicopters. Again, you even have police helicopters out there, police vans. You got vans out there. They're trying to track this drone, but the drone is too fast. So it says here, thank you to the security staff for their vigilance and follow-up. Thank you to the police. We are increasing our vigilance even further with a view to catching the pilots. How do you stop these drones? I mean, how do you stop them? Jeez, look at this here, guys. I mean, I seen this video too. And these drones, you see that one? That's a drone. And that's the Russian drone. When it comes down, it makes this sound like a bumblebee. And it does that right there. Yeah, so that's pretty creepy. So you got those drones that just out of nowhere just fall from the sky. Serious stuff. It says here additional cause funding urgently needed. The Council of Minister dossier is ready. Now it says here next week you have peers, mayor, police representatives, and members of the Ministry of Defense will meet to discuss Belgium airspace breach. So it's happening a lot in Germany. So you have Clean reportedly stores U.S. gravity equipment and is considered of immense strategic value to NATO. It's also understood the base will house advanced F-35 fighter jets by 2027, further elevating security concerns. The recent drone sighting come as Europe grapples with continuing air security warnings. In the last few months, the continent has witnessed fighter jet face-offs, mysterious large drone sightings, and coordinated sabotage activities that cripple operations at major airports. In September alone, drones were spotted over multiple Danish bases, while multiple flights were diverted from Gran Canaria Airport in Spain after similar sightings. Once again, you have the bear has been blamed for some of them, but denies responsibility. All right, so once again, guys, the bear is saying, Russia's saying it's not their drones. It's not their drones. So we are seeing something similar to the one in New Jersey. All right, so New Jersey, there was a lot of drones. You guys already know, those mysterious drones that no one had answered. Joe administration, they didn't have no answer. The FAA, nobody had the answer. So again, there was mysterious drone flying over New Jersey. Something similar is happening in Europe. European nations, especially those on NATO eastern flank, are now planning to build a multi-layered air defense system that will help detect the drones early and take them down. It says here, you have several frontline European nations met last month to assess how to protect their borders with so-called drone wall. These include the Baltic republics, Poland, Romania, and Bulgaria, and Ukraine. The aim of the drone wall is to build a sophisticated multi-layered air defense system that can detect, track, and take down drones without having to scramble fighter jets and use millions of dollars missiles as the first response. I mean, just imagine that. You build a drone that's worth $5,000 or $10,000, and then you fly in the sky, and then F-35 fires a missile that's worth over $1 million. Man, that's sad. It says here, take them down. The U.S. Commander-in-Chief previously told NATO to take down the Russian planes if they breached European airspace. Now, speaking on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in September, the U.S. Commander-in-Chief said member states shouldn't hesitate in the face of incursion. His comments came after 3 of the Russian MiG-31 fighter jets entered Estonia's airspace without clearance. The fighter jet capable of carrying Kinzel hypersonic missiles flew over Valon Island and stayed there for nearly 12 minutes. Now, NATO allies scrambled Italian F-35s to repel the Russian jet. Shortly afterward, Polish authorities reported a low flyover of Russian military planes near an oil and gas platform. European diplomats privately warned Moscow that further incursions into NATO airspace will be met with full force, including taking down Russian fighter jets. Ambassador of the UK, France, and Germany met with Russian officials in Moscow in a tense meeting. It was agreed the violation of Estonian airspace had been a deliberate tactic ordered by Russian commanders. Give me a second here, guys. Here's a picture. Now, Russia's saying it's not their drones. It's got to be someone else. But the bold declaration attracted an ominous threat from Moscow, which said that acting on it would mean war. Alexei, the Bear's ambassador to France, said, there are many NATO planes that violate Russian airspace deliberately or not, but it happens quite often. They are not taken down afterwards. And it's true. If you guys start taking our stuff down, we take yours down too. So I guess these are the F-16 fighter jets that's taking down these cheap drones. It's really sad. $1 million missile to take out a $10,000 drone. Someone is behind it. Someone's causing all this here. Once again, mystery drone buzz military base. And it's been happening for the past 24 hours. Give me a second here, guys. I want to go on X and see if I can find any more updates on this one here. But it sounds like New Jersey stuff. And I don't think it's Russia. I don't think it's Russia. So once again, mystery drones over Belgium. Most sensitive air base again for the second night in a row. Unidentified drones breach restricted airspace above Klein, Bruegel, the NATO base rumored to store US nuclear weapons. Again, there was no pilot, no recovery, no explanation. Someone or something is testing NATO defenses right now where its nuclear secrets are kept. Alright, guys, I think this is all of it for now. I'm not saying anything else, but I would keep it updated when it comes to this news. But and it's strange because it's happening right near the very important facility that it's carrying some nukes, some very, very powerful stuff. So whoever is flying these drones, they know what they're doing. And yeah, I do believe that there's a possibility. I mean, it could be anyone, but it ain't no random stranger just flying in drones to take picture. Obviously, someone very, very smart, knowledgeable when it comes to all this thing that's happening, bypassing NATO air defenses and all that. That's some serious stuff there. It goes to tell you that NATO, they need to update their stuff, air defenses. If a $5,000 drone does this type of stuff, just imagine what other powerful equipments could do. Those alliances, they really need to kind of, update or upgrade their missile defense system. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $5 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream once a week. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.